Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. I hope you all had a great week. My name is Victor Mangena, founder of Trading Waves. Right, so this analysis today is very simple, straightforward. We're all waiting to see what's going to happen to the crypto market, whether the reversal is in place, whether we're still going to go down, and if we're still going to go down, how far down we're still going to go. Right, so we'll look at the charts and see what they're telling us. Let's have a look here. Before we get started, if you've not already subscribed to our channel, please do so, and drop us a like if you like our content, and hit that bell notification button so you get an alert the next time we upload a video. If you'd like to contact us for any additional information, go to our channel, Trading Waves, on YouTube. So our Trading Waves channel on YouTube, under the description of any of our videos, you will find our contact details, as well as links to our social media pages. Our social media pages, that is Twitter, Facebook, as well as our website. So a website, that's where you can get more information on our services and more content. So our website is trading-waves.com. Right, so that's our website. That's where you can make your inquiries. You can chat with us on the Jovi chat there, and then you'll get the quickest response for any of your inquiries. Right, that's what we have there. So let's get started. Like I said, simple analysis this week. We just want to see how far down will the crypto market still go, if it's gonna still go down. So let's have a look here. We'll start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we have been looking at this structure. So you can see the structure that we've been looking at. I'm not going to even go to the detail of the previous structures. You can do that. You can watch our previous videos for that. What we are seeing here is this corrective structure. Now, if this is a corrective structure and not the end of the cycle, what we expect is that Bitcoin should come and take the low here and then push to the upside. Okay, so what is the current situation here with Bitcoin? Is this corrective structure here? Is this continuing to the downside? Looks like it is. As we've been saying, this is now just a pullback. We'll still expect this one to continue to the downside. I'm on the daily chart here, and I'm going to go to the 4-hour, so we can go into the detail of that corrective structures to see what is happening there. Right, so that is what we have. Let's go into the detail of this structure. You can see that that is a bearish structure. So looking at this here, you can see we've got this corrective structure there. We've got this corrective structure there. This has made a 3-wave move, then there. This has made a 3-wave move to the upside there. This has made a 3-wave move to the upside. So you can see 333 WXY is a corrective structure on Bitcoin. So that's why we expect that this has now hit the blue box. We expect this one to continue to the downside to even as low as 25,000. Why are we talking about 25,000? I'm going to show you again on the daily chart so you can see that clearly. But essentially, we are still bearish on Bitcoin to as low as 25,000 to build this, to complete this expanding flat on Bitcoin. So that is, it is an expanding flat because here it has already broken the top here. As you can see, broke the top previously in around towards the end of 2022, and we've been expecting this one to come break the low here. It can break the low, come back even as low as 25,000 and make a push to the upside. That is if it's building up this corrective structure. That is Bitcoin with 1, 2, 3. Look for this one to come down here and push to the upside. Right now, Ethereum has got exactly the same structure as you will see. So this is Ethereum, and we're expecting the same. I'm still on the daily here. We're expecting that this will complete here. Blue box already hit. We're expecting it to come take the low here to around 1,700, 1,500. Will be a very interesting level to buy Ethereum for another leg to the upside. As you can see, it has also made what looks like an expanding flat. So it can also break lower to as low as $1,000 before we push to the upside. Would be a very interesting level for demand to buy Ethereum at that level. It would have given us a WXY corrective structure, and then we'll look for this one to start pushing to the upside. We will see the indications here and confirmations here if we're going to get the reversal, or when we do get the reversal on Ethereum. Right, now let's have a look at Litecoin. So Litecoin, slightly different structure, but all the same. It's still continuing to the downside, still bearish rather. So we have got this impulse, we've got this 3-wave pullback on Litecoin. We've got that, and we're still expecting this to continue lower. As you can see, this pullback on Ethereum is showing us continuing continuation to the downside. We have got this one here. We can still push as low as 40,000 before we push to the upside on Litecoin. Let's go to the 4-hour here just to see this detail of the corrective structure here. So it has made already a 3-wave corrective structure here, Litecoin, 1, 2, 3. Now it is coming down here with this move. Okay, so that's what we're expecting, still a bearish move on Litecoin. Ripple. Right now, Ripple, just looking at the lower degree here on the 4-hour. So you can see we've got 1, 2, 3 down. We've got 1, 2, 3 up. We're expecting another 1, 2, 3 down here. But that should give us this corrective structure here on Ripple. That will give us something like this, Maybe one more move to the downside, to the lows, before we push to the upside on Ripple. Dogecoin, let's have a look at Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin, let's go to the daily and see what's happening here on the daily. Okay, so it looks like it's starting to slow down. The bigger picture on Dogecoin is this. So we've got this move to the downside here on Dogecoin. That's the move down, and that is the pullback. So we've got a pullback here. I need to draw it cleanly so we can see clearly what we're looking at here. So that is a 3-wave pullback here on rather Dogecoin. Here you've got 1, you've got 2, 3. Let me split it so you can be clear. I want you to see what I'm looking at here. Let's make it a little bit bigger so you can see. Okay, so I think it's a little bit clearer now. So we've got this, and I'm going to use straight lines so we can have the lines clearly. This is a 3-wave move to the downside. This is a 3-wave move pull back. Now, it looks like we're coming down with this diagonal here. And if this is the diagonal here on Dogecoin, if that is the diagonal on Dogecoin, we get this one here as a diagonal. That means then we've got a move here like that, WXY. Why will this be a Y? Okay, this one will give you something like this. Let's use the purple again. This will be the first leg, second leg, and the last leg will be a diagonal here. So that is what we have there on Dogecoin. So let's see how this plays out. So that is our Y. We'd expect it to complete the Y and the reversal. Are we getting divergence here? Let's check divergence here on the RSI to see. It looks like we are getting divergence on the daily, and that is looks like a pretty strong divergence in the Dogecoin. Looks like we'll start pushing to the upside. Look at this. Look at this here. Very strong divergence. Okay, as much as it's coming down, we can see this one can still do this, but eventually we may start seeing this start making a move to the upside because of this structure. So Dogecoin still looking pretty good for a move to the upside. Right, and lastly, let's look at ADA. ADA still bearish as well, just looking at this one to continue to the downside in the coming week. 1, 2, 3. No signs of reversal as yet, but they are starting to slow down. So that is ADA. And Binance, let's have a look at Binance as well. Binance is interesting. It has made a 1, 2, 3 continuation pattern to the downside. We're still going to see this one continue lower, possibly to around these levels before any move to the upside. All right, guys, so that's all I have for you this week. I'm not going to go through the rest. They all have similar structures, but the theme for the week on the cryptocurrencies is that we're still going to see more downside across the cryptocurrencies while anticipating a reversal in the next couple of weeks. All right, so that's what we have. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so. Hit that bell notification button so you get an alert the next time we upload a video. Have a great week, everybody. Cheers. Bye-bye.